So now let us calculate the specific volume at point 5, which is a saturated liquid vapor mixture. Before doing that, note one thing: Vg minus Vf is equal to Vfg. So let's say I have a liquid vapor mixture here. Mg is the mass of vapor, small vg is the specific volume of vapor, and capital Vg is the volume of vapor. Mf is the mass of liquid, small vf is the specific volume of liquid, and capital Vf is the volume of liquid. So we already know that small vg minus small vf is equal to small vfg. We know that dryness fraction is mass of vapor divided by total mass of liquid vapor mixture. Now in this case, the total mass of this liquid vapor mixture is equal to m. M is equal to mass of liquid plus mass of vapor, which is in kg. Total volume of liquid vapor mixture is equal to volume of liquid plus volume of vapor. It is in meter cube. So the volume of liquid can be written as mass of liquid multiplied by the specific volume of liquid. Let us check the unit. Mass of liquid is in kg, specific volume of liquid is in meter cube per kg. This kg will get cancelled and we will get meter cube, which is the correct unit of volume. So this formula is correct. I can also write Vg is equal to mg multiplied by small vg. So I can write the total mass of mixture M is equal to mf plus mg. So from this I can write mf is equal to m minus mg. Mf is mass of liquid, mass of vapor, mg. Total volume of mixture is equal to volume of liquid plus volume of vapor. So from here, volume can be written as multiplication of mass multiplied by specific volume. So the total volume of mixture, I can write it as mass of mixture multiplied by specific volume of mixture, that is equal to volume of liquid can be written as mass of liquid multiplied by specific volume of liquid, plus Vg can be written as mass of vapor multiplied by specific volume of vapor, that is equal to, I can write this mf as m minus mg. So I will write this mf m minus mg multiplied by small vf plus mg multiplied by small vg. Let us divide this m, the total mass of mixture, on both sides. So we will get specific volume of mixture is equal to m minus mg divided by m multiplied by Vf plus mg by m multiplied by Vg. So specific volume of mixture is equal to m minus mg divided by m multiplied by Vf plus mg by m multiplied by Vg. So I can write this one as 1 minus mg by m in bracket multiplied by Vf plus mg by m is the mass of vapor divided by the total mass of mixture, that is dryness fraction, multiplied by small vg. So small v, specific volume of mixture, is equal to this 1 minus mg by m is x multiplied by Vf plus x Vg. Let's multiply this Vf inside the bracket. So I will get Vf minus x Vf plus x Vg. So the specific volume of this mixture is equal to Vf. If I take positive x as common, I can write this Vg minus Vf. So the specific volume of this liquid vapor mixture is equal to specific volume of liquid, that is small Vf, plus dryness fraction multiplied by the difference between small Vg minus small Vf. I can also write this as small v is equal to small Vf plus x Vg minus Vf is Vfg, x multiplied by Vfg. So this specific volume of mixture can be written as Vf plus x Vfg. So here it is a specific volume which is meter cube by kg. So in summary, the specific volume of saturated liquid vapor mixture is equal to Vf plus x multiplied by Vg minus Vf, or it can be written as Vf plus x multiplied by Vfg. The unit for the specific volume is meter cube per kg. So without x, without dryness fraction, we cannot calculate any property of a saturated liquid vapor mixture. So that's why dryness fraction is very important for liquid vapor mixture.